I believe that everyone in the work must be encountered such a problem. When we are going to design good form sent to a colleague, a form of the header is always being changed without any reasons. It will lead the later data filling is incorrect and need to refill the sheet. You also need to spend a lot of time to sort out the data. Actually, it can be very easy to solve. We just need to add protection for the table header. Select the entire sheet. Use shortcuts to bring up the Format Cells function. Choose Protection, uncheck Locked. Select the entire table. Use shortcuts to bring up the Go-To function. Choose Special. Choose Constants. Now, use shortcuts to bring up the Format Cells function. Choose Protection, check Locked. Choose Review, then choose Protect Sheet. Enter a password. Don't forget your password. At this stage, the table header is protected from modification, but the data area is free to input data. Well done.
Any questions, please leave me a message.